global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. The internal squabbles going on within the rank and file of Biafra agitation and Biafra struggle have taken a different dimension that may not augur well totally for Biafra agitation and the people therein. The dimension is getting very messy, and it looks like no stone is unturned to bring one another down in the struggle. I must say that all hands needs to be on deck in this situation. Before we go into the news proper, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. And of course, this is a press release coming from IPOB over the intelligence report they've got. According to the news, they say we have intercepted plots by people to abduct and rendition top Biafran agitators, IPOB says. The attention of the global movement and family of the indigenous people of Biafra, otherwise known as IPOB, has been drawn to the secret plot by the Nigerian government in collaboration with some traitors to abduct and rendition some key members of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, and the Biafran agitators staying and living abroad, just the same way they renditioned our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. The IPOB, that's Indigenous People of Biafran Intelligence Unit, intercepted the secret plot to rendition or extradite these IPOB, that's Indigenous People of Biafran members. The Indigenous People of Biafran Intelligence, that's IPOB Intelligence Unit, intercepted the secret plot to rendition or extradite these IPOB members and supporters in their desperation to weaken the movement and frustrate the struggle for Biafra restoration. According to the intelligence available to us, according to IPOB, Chinasa Nworu is top on the list of those penciled down for illegal rendition or extradition. This is coming from Intelligence Unit of the Indigenous People of Biafra. But we want to remind the plotters and the collaborators of this evil plan that extraordinary rendition remains a crime against international law in any part of the world. According to the intel at our disposal, one barrister, Collins Okechukwu, has been recruited to write a petition persuading the Attorney General of the Federation, AGF Abubakar Malami, to repeat what he did to our leader Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya to other top indigenous people of Biafra leadership. The Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, uncovered that this barrister, that's Barrister Collins Okechukwu, was paid by some saboteurs to ask for the extradition of the affected Biafra agitators. Those behind this evil plot think that they have succeeded in abducting Nnamdi Kanu, so it will be easy for them to now go after his supporters. But they are daydreaming. We are, therefore, placing countries of the world on notice of this wicked plot against innocent, peaceful agitators of Biafra. He continued, as an IPB media continues, he said, we alert countries around the world, including African Union, AU, European Union, EU, USA, United States of America, United Nations, UN, Asia and Australia countries and continent to protect Biafrans in their respective countries and continent. They should protect Biafrans against their oppressors. The world should not keep quiet over atrocities again. This is coming from the media and publicity of indigenous people of Biafra. I must say this, according to the news and according to the intelligence of IPOB being mentioned in the press release made by the indigenous people of Biafra, They said they actually got information, classified information, that these guys are going after the top members, and it is being done by saboteurs, as in those within the rank and file of Biafra agitation, submitting those names to a recruited lawyer who also is writing petitions that these guys should be extradited from whatever countries they are in back to Nigeria to face the crime. This is rather sad because the funny part is it's a bit difficult to now say it's done by outsider. We have seen openly, done openly. It's not something they hide anymore. Where you see groups of agitators, that's Biafran agitators, coming against one another. It's no longer news that we have the Simeon Ekpa fraction of IPOB, or if Simeon Ekpa fraction of Biafra agitators, who coincidentally some of them came out from IPOB, who are saying that since Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention, then of course Simeon Ekpa seems to have the firebrand to take over the struggle. Then there's still some people who are still there to, IPOB and the DOS, who still believe that though Simeon Ekpa claims to be this disciple of Nnamdi Kanu, he's still not Nnamdi Kanu. That Nnamdi Kanu is in detention does not mean that he is out. He is off and out and done with. They still hold on to the DOS, believing that through the DOS, Nnamdi Kanu is still speaking. While the Simeon Ekpa's fraction is of the opinion that someone who is in detention cannot speak the mind freely, because he's of the opinion that Nnamdi Kanu may be under duress of some sort that will make him not want to speak in favor of Biafra agitation. So hence, they should just be doing what they're doing, that's which is going to be autopilot and all the rest. We'll still free Nnamdi Kanu one way or the other. The truth of the matter is, right now, there seems to be a bit of who do they follow? Should they go on ahead with DOS? But should they also go ahead with what Simon Ekpa is saying? Because what Simon Ekpa is saying looks like as if it's going to get more results. Sounds more like what Nnamdi Kanu would have done. But the question is it not already causing rifts and issues? Now there's now internal squabbles saying that some people within the rank and file of the struggle are actually pointing fingers. And now the question is, they keep saying Chinasa is bad. Nworu is evil. Chinasa is working against the Biafran struggle. That's what I heard from social media and all that. But if he is not working for Biafra, why would he be among the top list to be renditioned? Why would they want him to come down to Nigeria to face, to go through the same thing Nnamdi Kanu is going through? There's a lot of, some puzzles that needs to, fit in. It doesn't just add up. But whatever it is, the more it's going on like this, the more confused people are. They're wondering who is doing, because right now, I can assure you, a lot of people don't know where to go. Should they follow or should they not? Who is the saboteur here? But things are really going down. And IPOB is giving press release that yes, this is the classified information they have, that they want to rendition their person, and it is being championed within the rank and file of those agitating for Biafra. Let's interact also take on this. Do have a